Hello everybody! Today I'm going to take a close-up look at the Muji PP Drawer Unit A4 White. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is the Muji PP or Polypropylene Drawer Unit A4 White. And just taking a look around the details of this storage unit or storage box or drawer unit. This is its product label. And continuing to look at the details of this storage box or unit, you can see that it does have a greyish white finish or color. And continuing to look at the opposite side of the storage box, and of course my camcorder is struggling to focus because of its matte finish. And right there, right back on focus more or less, and looking at the front of the drawer unit and the top as well. And of course, let's take a look at the underside or bottom of this drawer unit. And taking some close-up looks. You can see that it does have a couple of nubs below. And giving you some sense of the overall design and construction of this drawer unit. And of course, let's slide out or pull open the drawer unit. And just to give you some idea, sliding the unit completely out. And inside it does have a glossy finish, as you can see, with the light reflecting against all of its interior. And once again, that's the front of the unit, and you can see that it does have a recess there to tuck one's finger beneath it to pull out the unit. And on the sides, on the inner side of the drawer unit, we can see that it does have that glossy finish right throughout, except for the front or fascia of the drawer itself. And just setting that to the side and giving you a look at the main body of the drawer unit itself to give you some sense of the overall design and construction. And this unit does have dimensions of 37 centimeters across, 26 centimeters deep, and 12 centimeters high or tall. And to give you some sense of the sturdiness of this construction, of course with the drawer unit out, but giving you some idea right there, does flex a little bit, and just pushing down on the side you can see that the shorter side is a lot stiffer. And let's slide the drawer unit or drawer right back into the main body of the unit right there. So as you can see, complete polypropylene design right throughout. And of course being careful right there not to tip the drawer fully out. And once again on the underside. So once again, the dimensions are 37 centimeters across or wide, 26 centimeters deep, and 12 centimeters high or tall. And let's slide the drawer right out again, this time of course achieving the camcorder focus. And right there, drawer slides completely out. And just to give you some sense of the size of the drawer itself, placing my hand inside of it. And of course we can always put an item in there. So I have a Tangle Teezer, the original hairbrush. Now let's leave it in the middle of the drawer, and of course sliding it back into the storage box or unit itself right there, giving you some sense of the overall size and storage capability of this unit right there, and to give you another perspective of this unit. So that's the Muji PP Drawer Unit A4 White. Thanks for watching and happy storing!